Hi, I want to talk through getting prepared for tax time, and I want to share a fun little acronym that I created to remind you how to prepare for tax time, and that is A.R.R.G, because we're navigating the open seas of QuickBooks Online. So what A.R.R.G stands for is add all of your transactions, reconcile all of your accounts, review your reports, and then go to happy hour because you can rest easy that you are ready for tax time, and that's whatever happy hour looks like for you. So let's elaborate on that just a little bit. So we've been going through all of this quite a bit, but just a review, you want to make sure that you go into the bank feed here, go through all of the transactions that have fed in for each one of your accounts and make sure that you categorize them and add them into QuickBooks. Then you want to go and reconcile all of your accounts. So going up to the gear icon, go to reconcile, reconcile each one of the accounts that's connected in QuickBooks. So you can choose those accounts here. Once all of your accounts are reconciled, you'll go over to the reporting center. Maybe you have saved some custom reports, but you want to run a profit and loss and a balance sheet and make sure you're reviewing those reports. And if you've done all of those steps, you should feel pretty good about turning your reports over to your tax accountant for tax prep. So then you can go do something fun and relax, maybe go to the beach or go grab a drink or do some yoga or whatever you're into. Go celebrate because you should be pretty prepared to have your taxes filed.